Hello students, myself Ashwini. Now we will learn chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. Okay, first, what are linear equations? Okay, let me start with explaining about linear equations. Okay, if the degree of an equation is 1, then it is called linear equation. Okay, if degree of equation is 1, then it is called linear equation. Okay, example 4x is equal to 5. Okay, what is the degree of x here? It is 1. Okay, degree is equal to 1. So it is a linear equation. Okay, what is then linear equation in one variable? From the word itself, only one variable. It should have only one variable. What are variables and what are constants? Variables means the values that may change. That may change. X, Y, Z, all these are variables. X, Y, Z. Okay, all these are variables. What are constants then? Constants means the value don't change. Value do not change, that is constant values, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3 and so on, all are constants. Okay, now linear equations in one variable. Okay, linear equations means it should have degree 1. Okay, and now with one variable means it should have only one variable. Okay, any one variable it should have. For example, if I take 4x plus 5 is equal to 0, then in this equation how many variables are there? Only one variable. Okay, this is example for linear equation with one variable. Example for linear equation with one variable. Okay, now one more example I want to take. Some 7x plus 4y is equal to some 11. Okay, now how many variables this equation have? It is having 1 and 2. Okay, it is having two variables. So this is not an example for linear equation with one variable. Okay, this is a linear equation because degree is 1. Degree is equal to 1, but variables are 2. Variables is equal to 2. So this is linear equation but not linear equation in one variable. Okay, linear equation with two variables this is. Okay, one more example if I take. Some 3x square plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now what is this? What is the degree of this equation? Degree is equal to 2. Okay, this is not a linear equation. Okay, this is about linear equation in one variable. Okay, if degree is equal to 1, then only that type of equation is called linear equation. If in case if degree is equal to 2 like this, then it is not a linear equation. Okay, and also with one variable. Okay, in one variable means only it should have variable, one variable. Okay, this is example for linear equation with one variable. Okay, if I see here 7x plus 4y, there are two variables. This is a linear equation because degree is 1 but having two variables. So this is linear equation with two variables. Okay children. Okay students, I hope you understood very well about linear equations in one variable. Okay, one more point is linear equations are also called as simple equations. Okay, linear equations also called as simple equations. Okay, I may tell one more example to you, that is linear equation or simple equation with one variable. Okay, five z plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, here also only one variable and degree is also equal to 1. Okay, is having only 1. Okay, so this is the example for simple equation or linear equation with one variable. Okay. Okay, now 2.2, solving simple equation having the variable on one side. Okay, let us solve a simple equation which is having variable on one side. Okay, example, solve equation 6y plus 40 is equal to 8. Okay, here if we observe, which is the variable here? Y is the variable. Okay, variable is on one side. Okay, not two sides. Okay, let us start doing the solution. Given 6y plus 40 is equal to 8. Okay, in this y is the variable, 40 and 8 are the constants. Okay, this implies if I take 40 to the RHS, that is I am transposing 40 to right hand side. Okay, as we know that this is LHS and this is RHS. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. Okay, now I am transposing 40 to the RHS. It becomes minus 40. Okay, 6y is equal to 8 minus 40. What I am doing? Transposed 40 to RHS. Okay, now it becomes 6y is equal to, as 40 is greater number, it is having negative sign, then we should do subtraction and we get negative value. Okay, minus 40 plus 8 becomes minus 32. Okay, now y is equal to minus 32, and if I transpose again 6 here, it comes to the denominator. Okay, next transposing 6 to RHS. Okay, it comes to the denominator. 2 3s are 2 ones are 2 6 are 12. Okay, y becomes minus 16 by 3. Okay, now this is the variable and its value is minus 16 by 3. Okay, we can verify this even. We can verify. Just place y is equal to minus 16 by 3 in the equation given. Okay, 6 into minus 16 by 3. Okay, what is the equation first? 6y plus 40 is equal to 8. So 6 into y plus 40 should be equal to 8. Okay, 3 ones are 3 twos are 16 twos are 32. Minus 32 plus 40 is equal to 8. 40 minus 32 is plus is bigger number. So we get plus. 40 minus 32 is 8. 8 is equal to 8. This implies LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. In this way we can do the verification. Verification is not compulsory. I am just doing this verification to know whether our answer is correct or not. Okay. This is the way how to solve a simple equation with having variable on one side. Okay. Okay students, just now we have seen solving equation that have variable on one side. Now we are going to see solving equations that have variables on both sides. Okay, both sides of the equation are having variables. Then how to solve them we will see now with an example. Okay, let me take an example. Solve equation 7x minus 2 is equal to 5x. Okay, if we observe here, what is the variable here? X is the variable and we are having x on both sides. This is LHS and this is RHS. Okay, we are having x variable on both sides. Okay, let us do the solution. Given, what is the given equation? 7x minus 2 is equal to 5x. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. We are having variables on both sides. Okay, now let us start doing the solution. Okay, now move this variable. Okay, move this variable to the left hand side, that is transpose this to the left hand side and this constant to the right hand side. Okay, this becomes 7x minus 5x and minus 2, if we transpose to this side it becomes plus 2. Okay, if we change from left hand to right hand or right hand to left hand, then that symbols will change. Okay, negative becomes positive and positive becomes negative. Okay, now 7x minus 5x become 2x is equal to 2. This implies x is equal to 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Okay, this is one example. Okay, if I take one more example, solve 14y plus 7 is equal to y plus 5. Okay, now what is the variable here? Y is the variable. We are having variable on both sides. Okay, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Now how we can solve this? Solution. Given 14y plus 7 is equal to y plus 5. Okay, I am taking the variables to the one side and constants to the other side. Okay, this is left hand side LHS and this is right hand side RHS. I am taking the variables on the left hand side and constants on the right hand side. Then this y, if we transpose this to the left hand side, it becomes minus y. Okay, 14y minus y is equal to, okay, 5. If I transpose 7 to the RHS, it becomes minus 7. Okay, 14y minus y becomes 13y, which is equal to 5 minus 7. Okay, which is greater value here? 7 is the greater number and it is having negative sign, so we will automatically get the negative number. Plus 5 minus 7 becomes minus 2. Okay, the sign of the greater value we will get in the result. Okay, here greater value is 7, so I got minus 2. Now y is equal to minus 2 by 13. Okay, this is the way how we can solve the simple equations with having variables on both sides. Okay, even we can do the verification by placing y is equal to minus 2 by 13 in the equation. Okay, in this equation if you place y is equal to minus 2 by 13, then we can know whether LHS is equal to RHS. Then our answer is correct. Okay, that is about linear equations. Okay, in our next video we will see the exercises.